So e-scooter has been popular for many years now, and it can be very simple, affordable, and most importantly, should be very reliable. Today, we are reviewing the MEGAWHEELS A6L Eco, a daily commuter type of product that has a 300-watt motor, 10.2 amp battery, 3-speed modes with 25 kilometers per hour max speed and about 25 kilometers of range. This is a decent choice for day-to-day ride, and let's get into the details. Okay, let's unbox it. This scooter comes in a classic box and fairly easy to handle with one-man effort. Simply open the box, then you will see the protections inside. There are foams at the corners and some other places. Take it out with one hand to the next step. There are just 3 things you need to do before you can actually take it out for a spin. All the accessories are prepared in package. First, you need to stand it up. The lock mechanism here is actually very easy and secured. Simply lift this lever up, then click it into the position. Then you need to mount the handlebar to the front tube. I can see there are some screws, 3 types of them, and since there are 6 holes on the handlebar, I assume these are the right ones. Then since it also has app support, you can connect it to the app while having it charged. So the charger is rated at 24.2 volt, 1.5 amp, not massive, but good enough to charge a 10.2 amp battery. And the connecting to the app is pretty straightforward, just follow the steps, then you can have it ready. Reading from the specs, especially the battery voltage and rated motor power, I knew it was not meant for high-speed cruising or complicated terrain riding, rather for daily commute. Then the 10.2 amp battery is going to last longer than other models in the MEGAWHEELS lineup. The scooter has a simple screen on the handlebar, one single button to toggle through every function, long press to power it up, press it once will turn the light on, then press it again to turn it off. Double press will enable you to change gear. There are 3 gears to choose from, which is convenient. Triple press can change it from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. So the functions are basically like this. Next part, we will test how it performs in real life. Before that, let's talk about the build quality. As standard as it looks, I think the build quality is well over most of others. Like this connect point here, once it's set in position, there's no clumsy sound at all, and during the ride, when you brake, it feels sturdy. Then at the back, the structural parts still extend and winds up till this point to support your foot. It's not like some other scooters that just put a plastic plate there. Also, the motor is really well sealed, nothing inside is exposed whatsoever. There are aluminum case protecting the battery down there. All the wires are routing nice and neat and protected at some crucial points. So overall, the build quality is really good. And with all these good quality components, how does it really perform in riding? Let's take it out for a spin right now. So overall, I think it performs well in daily riding. It is not built for speed demon, of course, and after several rides, I think I might need to address some settings. This is when the app comes in. As you can see, the binding is through Bluetooth and the process is simple and smooth. When we get into the app, you can see all the info about the scooter, such as the battery level, the total riding time, and the possible range you would get with the current battery. Also, you can adjust the gear in the app, convenient but not sure if this will be used much, since you would definitely do that with the button on the scooter. The other buttons are used for turning on the headlamp and some other features. In the middle, you can see the record of riding, pretty convenient. Lastly, there are some advanced settings hidden on the top right corner. There, you can customize things to your liking. 2 things you may want to change are the rate limitation and the energy recovery intensity. If you want to have a little bit more speed at the low gear, you can change it here. And also, if you want to lower the energy recovery intensity to have a more comfortable ride, then change this one is a must. Alright, this is a review of the MEGAWHEELS A6L Eco scooter. I think it is a solid option for people who live in the city or suburb areas, since it has a decent power and relatively large tires, and 10 amp battery can provide a good range for you. Currently, MEGAWHEELS are running a sales for it on Amazon. The discount is just as good as the Prime Day, and if you mention Gizmochina where you are making a purchase, you can get an exclusive 3 years warranty. If you are a daily commuter that need one for work or get around, you can find more info about this one in the link below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.